Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is spreading coefficient. In yesterday classes, discussing about introduction to surface tension, interfacial tension, surface free energy, and their importance and applications. Today class discussing about what is spreading coefficient, what is the importance of spreading coefficient in pharmacy, when a drop of oleic acid is placed on the surface of the water, it will spread as a film on the surface of the water. If the spreading process occurs as a spontaneous, surface free energy of the system can be reduced. The spreading of liquid can be analyzed by using coercive forces and adhesive forces operating between the molecules. When a drop of liquid is spread on the water, it will form a thin layer or form a lens on the water surface. Work of cohesion. It is defined as it is the amount of energy required to separate like molecules of the spreading liquid oleic acid. In this work, there is no interfacial tension when liquid is considered alone. Only coercive forces are operating. While observing the hypothetical cylinder having cross section area 1 square centimeter, it can be divided into two new surfaces. So work of cohesion is equal to WC is equal to 2YL. By the application of cohesion forces, the molecule can be divided into two new surfaces. Initially, the liquid oleic acid is having one surface having 1 centimeter square. By the application of cohesion forces, it can be divided into two new surfaces. It will also having surface tension. So work of cohesion is equal to 2YL. Work of adhesion occurs in between unlike molecules. It is defined as it is the amount of energy required to separate the unlike molecules. The same amount of energy is required even to break the adhesive forces between liquids. Now consider a hypothetical cylinder of sublayer liquid having S present below the similar section. The spreading liquid is L. The work done is equal to work of adhesion is equal to WA is equal to surface tension of liquid plus surface tension of sublayer minus surface tension of liquid and sublayer, where Ys is equal to interfacial tension of sublayer, Yls means interfacial tension of liquid and solid surfaces. When spreading of liquid occurs, the liquid is oleic acid when adhesive forces are stronger when compared to the coercive forces, the spreading coefficient can be obtained by using following equation. Spreading coefficient is equal to work of adhesion minus work of cohesion. By substituting the work of adhesion and work of cohesion equations in their above equation, you will obtain surface tension of liquid plus surface tension of sublayer minus surface tension of liquid and solid surface minus 2 into surface tension of liquid. So finally surface tension is equal to surface tension of sublayer minus surface tension of liquid minus surface tension of liquid and solid surface. It is also rewritten as spreading coefficient is equal to surface tension of sublayer minus surface tension of liquid plus surface tension of liquid and solid surface. In above equation, surface tension of sublayer is greater than surface tension of liquid plus surface tension of liquid and solid surface. The spreading coefficient is positive in nature. If the surface tension of sublayer is less than surface tension of liquid plus surface tension of liquid and solid surface, the spreading is negative and there is no spreading can be occurs. In above equations, S and liquid are pure substances. For spreading of organic liquid on water, initial coefficient may be either positive or negative, but final spreading coefficient is negative. Solvent benzene spread on water because of stronger adhesive forces over the coercive forces. The polar groups are absent. The spreading coefficient can be shortcutted by using as a surface or interfacial work is equal to surface tension multiplied with area of increment. Examples of spreading coefficient of some compounds at 20 degrees centigrade. Benzene surface spreading coefficient is 8.8 dynes per centimeter. Ethyl alcohol is 50.4 dynes centimeter. Oleic acid is having 24.6 dynes per centimeter. Chloroform is having 13 dynes per centimeter. Acetic acid is having spreading coefficient is 45.2. Liquid paraffin is having negative surface spreading coefficient value is minus 13.4 due to presence of non-polar chain length. So there are having less spreading coefficient. There are various types of factors which influencing on spreading coefficient. Molecular structure. The compound is having polar groups in their structure. Their spreading coefficient can be increases. Examples: ethyl alcohol and propanoic acid. It will indicate presence of polar groups increases the spreading coefficient. Spreading coefficient of propionic acid is 45.8 and ethyl alcohol is 50.4. Due to presence of non-polar substances, there are having negative spreading coefficient. Liquid petrolatum is having minus 13.4. For organic acid, oleic acid, there are having longer carbon chain, decreases the polar character, decreases the spreading coefficient. Some oils can spread over water because there are having polar groups. Household forces, benzene spread on water not because it's polar but because of household forces between its molecules are weaker than the adhesive forces of water. Spreading coefficient also can be increased by presence of polar groups like carboxylic acid and hydroxyl groups. Examples: propanoic acid and ethyl alcohol. Reducing the non-polar chain length, petrolatum and oleic acid. Applications of spreading coefficient in formulation development. Absorption of medicament. When a cream or lotion is applied on the skin, it has to be spread on the affected area and permits absorption of medicament. In the preparation of cream and lotion, surfactants are also added to increase the polarity of the medicament and also increase the spreading coefficient. Next one, stabilization of emulsions. A blend of surfactants are mixed with oil. Its spreading coefficient on water surface can be evaluated based on the experimental results. Suitable blend of surfactants is selected for stabilization of emulsions to prepare the stable emulsion. These also helpful in coating of tablet. Thank you. These are the importance of spreading coefficient in pharmacy. Thank you.